Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist Eric Fisher. Hopefully you enjoyed a beautiful day today. We're watching a fast-moving nor'easter for late tonight into early on Wednesday morning. Most of it happening between midnight and 9 a.m. Rain to start, changing over to wet snow in parts of the area with some coatings to 2 inches of snow possible. Won't be sticking around for very long. And windy conditions at the coastline, then windy everywhere as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Some clouds will be on the increase this evening. And there you see the storm system center right about in here. And he'll be racing off to the south and east of Nantucket as we head through the overnight hours, and some rough seas out there for anyone with maritime interest, I should say. Not a good time to be out in a boat in the Atlantic as this passes. Now tonight, rain, wet snow after midnight. Temperatures back in the mid to upper 30s. Here's a look at the timeline. That rain moving up from south to north. Rain increasing as we head toward daybreak, but also a flip over to wet snowfall will likely happen as this pulls away. Not expecting a lot of snow, but it's right during the morning commute. If you mix in any snowfall, you've also got some gusty winds and some rain all mixed together. I do expect a slow start to the day tomorrow. Then temperatures will be on the rise, so any snow that falls will quickly be melting. We'll have temperatures jumping into the 50s by midday and into the 60s in some spots as we look toward tomorrow afternoon. Rain amounts, they'll be heaviest south and east of Boston, especially toward the Cape and the islands. And snowfall, a coating to an inch or so, is most likely, as that's what we're looking at, especially to central Mass, northeastern Connecticut, and over into the 95 corridor. Again, not expecting a high impact event when it comes to the snow. As for the wind, we're looking at our gustiest conditions near the coastline tomorrow morning. Some gusts over 50 miles per hour are possible on Cape Cod and especially on Nantucket. Those will be out of the northeast. Then we'll see the wind whip around to the west during the afternoon, and this is where it gets windy everywhere for the afternoon and the evening. In fact, wind advisories are up for much of the interior, as we'll see some gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour out of the west. So although it is a very mild afternoon, that wind is going to make it a little bit certainly more challenging to be outdoors. Now, Thursday, a chillier day, upper 40s. Friday, it looks like we'll stay dry till the evening, and then a mixture of rain and even some wet snowflakes across the interior looks likely. Should be exiting early on Saturday morning, and that would make way for a pretty nice-looking weekend as high pressure builds in. So cautiously optimistic, we could get a couple of really nice spring days. So there's the full 7-day, upper 40s on Thursday, bright skies. Friday, I think that precipitation will hold off till late in the day. Saturday, high of 64, not bad. And then low 60s inland on Sunday with some cooler conditions and sea breezes at the coast. We could have a chance at 70 for both Monday and Tuesday.